y'all, it's Karma here. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be opening the Mindful Souls box. This is a monthly subscription box that is $39.97 a month with free shipping. This is considered a mindful box that has 6 to 8 hand-picked items ranging from calming crystals, aromatherapy items, gemstone jewelry to home decor, wellness goodies, and natural cosmetics. There will be a link in the description, and my affiliate link down there is Good Karma 25, and that gives you a 25% off discount store-wide when you order from them. So let's take just a second and review what we got in the November 2020 Mindful Souls box. So let's take just a second and review what we got in the November 2020 Mindful Souls box. And I'll give you a little bit of an update on the products I used and let you know how they've held up over the 30 days. First, we received the Harmony of Life necklace. And this was absolutely beautiful. I really wanted to keep it for myself, but honestly, I'm going to end up gifting it to someone whose birthday is in January. So I had made her a Tree of Life necklace before, and I think this would be a beautiful reminder and a second piece for her. The Aquamarine stone, which was pretty. I did use it for a meditation, and it was a nice, calming experience. The Aquamarine really does a lot to just kind of calm your soul. And it's also protective, and so putting it by your bed or in your purse, especially if you're going to travel, might be nice. So I might stick that in my luggage when I travel to Utah. Then we got the snake stone bracelet, and that was absolutely gorgeous. I really loved the snake stone. And I did end up passing that on, but it was a beautiful bracelet and has held up nicely. We got the serpentine tumbled stone, and again, a beautiful stone to work with. I didn't have a chance to do a meditation with it, so I can't really give you an update on how it felt or how it did. We got the 3-piece red abalone shell set, and that was absolutely adorable. Something that I'll be able to use probably with my painting when I'm doing scrolls and stuff. I'm in a medieval recreation group, and we do scrolls with illumination and calligraphy on them. So as I'm mixing natural pigments, that would be really nice to have to mix up the paint into those. So I will put that in my calligraphy set, but I have not yet used them. They're a little bit too small to use for many more ritual things, but if you were doing like a little ritual or something, you could put salt in one and then use them that way. So they were really cute. And then the Palo Santo Capace incense, and I did use that on my full moon ceremony, and it burned just beautifully and smelled amazing and added great things to the atmosphere of that practice. So it was a nice box. Let's get right into this month's box and see what we have. As we open it, whoa, things come flying out. Use this code at Christmas, or Christmas 25. Again, a lot of these boxes are coming late, so that's not really helping anybody that Christmas is already over. But mail has been really bad for some of these boxes this month. So then you've got your cute card on there that I'll show you in just a minute with all your items. We'll read that as we go through them. And then all of your items tucked nicely in the bottom of the box there. So let's start. That is a really pretty card, though. I like that side of it. Really pretty. Although it did kind of get crunched in the box, so I probably won't keep it. It got bent. Then our Mindful Souls, and it says, with our thoughts, we make the world. And then I showed you the little card there, but one more quick shot in case you want to glance at those later yourself. So now Mindful Souls is one of those boxes that I think it's worth the money, but I don't necessarily think you get way more value for the money that you spend. Some of the $50 boxes, you know, you're looking at $40, $50 boxes, you're looking at $200 worth of items. I would say this box really is more about what you pay for it. It's still a really nice thing to get every month. I love their products, but probably not the big bang for your buck kind of box if you're looking to get a lot more value out of the money you're spending. I do love their little affirmation cards. Affirmation for success. I will excel in all that I do, and success comes easily to me. Very appropriate for January 2021 as we start that new year. Then we have our little sticker, super cute. Like, I really like that one. Like, I will put that one in my Lunarly journal. That one speaks to me. Of course, it is kind of purpley, and purple's my favorite color, but that is really cool. I'm keeping that one. Sorry, grandson. That one's grandma's. He usually gets a lot of my stickers because he loves stickers. Goloka Frankincense Resin Incense. That's a beautiful box. Really pretty. Is that upside down? Nope. And frankincense is a wonderful incense to burn. Frankincense, myrrh, some of the most ancient ones. Oh, and it's a resin, so it's really, oh, that's beautiful. So it's beautiful frankincense resin, and I use that all the time. So when you burn a resin incense, if you don't know, you get the little charcoal discs and you light them. You want to make sure you light them and let them burn until they're completely red, because it'll take probably about 4 or 5 minutes to really get that coal hot. You want it really hot before you put that on. And then I usually take one of my cute little spoons that I've got in one of the boxes, and you just take a little spoonful and put that on top, and then the resin will just melt and create a wonderful, wonderful purifying aroma. As a resin, you can't really smell it very much, but I still can smell it, and I can tell this is a beautiful quality. And I will say they don't put prices on theirs, but I will say that frankincense resin tends to be a little more on the pricey side. Not like super, super expensive, but depending on the quality of the frankincense, something like this could cost even up to like $20. So that's really nice, and that boosts the value of this box up quite a bit. And I use it all the time. So it is wonderful for me to have. Oh, let's read what it says. See if I can do it without glasses. No, I'm going to do glasses. Goloka Frankincense. Natural resin incense is best known for its protective and purifying qualities. When Goloka resin is burned, it emits a holy smoke and beautiful fragrance that is known to clear negative energies and connect us with our higher consciousness. Like I said, frankincense is one of my go-tos that I will almost always burn somewhere in a ceremony. It has a lot of historical references to it as far as its medicinal value and spiritual value. Then we have European Musk soap. European Musk soap. That sounds good. Oh, very pretty. Very soapy smelling. No, not for me. I am not really a bar soap person. Some natural bar soaps I can use, but that's not going to work for me. I just have really sensitive skin, and a lot of bar soaps really dry me out. So that's beautiful. Someone will really love it, just not me. So let's see what it has to say. Kamini Egyptian Musk Soap, 100% vegetable-based soap, a mystical, captivating scent with sensuous, stimulating qualities. This beautifully scented soap is designed to make bathing a luxurious and sensual experience. And I'm sure it will be for someone other than me. Oh, next, we have all the little baggies left. See, little baggies in there. I love their little bags, and they're really nice to give as gifts because they're just so cute. So let's see what's in this bag. Looks like a stone. Oh, pretty. Sodalite looks like. It's a nice little sodalite. Pretty nice little tumbled stone. Sodalite, the earth power filter contained in every sodalite mineral stone, filters out negative energy. Reducing the negative, it facilitates a more positive view of others and helps in revealing the brighter side of a situation or person. Great stone to hold in the hand during meditation. Sodalite's a great stone. It really is. Then we have another little baggie. Pretty. Looks just like a little quartz crystal bracelet. They usually have a little bracelet in there. That one's pretty. Again, not a huge value item. It is a good size. I don't like them when they're too tight and stuff, so that's a nice size for it. And the nice thing is like I can wear it with these, and I might just put it on with those, because crystal will amplify any of the other stones that you're wearing. So something like this is really nice to have to put with any of the jewelry that you're wearing for some purpose, because it will amplify that for you. Our next little baggie. Not sure what that is. Maybe sodalite? Doesn't quite look like sodalite. It's pretty green. Or pretty blue, I mean. Let's see what it is. Aquamarine bracelet. An aquamarine is usually more of a greenish color, but it does come in blue, so that can still be aquamarine. Aquamarine is a water element stone that is great for cleansing the emotional body and opening communication. Wearing this stone, people find courage to express their thoughts and find it easier to develop their instinctive abilities. So again, take that, put it with the crystal one they got, amplify it. Very nice. Same thing, nice size, not too tight. Very pretty. And I usually wear these a lot. This is actually Tibetan agate, and since you know that I study Tibetan Buddhism and meditation, I really enjoy having something that came from the mountains where all the masters meditated, and this is a snake eye with it. So I usually wear those all the time, and I can add these to them though. Second to last. That's actually really pretty. And you know me, I don't really like costume jewelry. That's really pretty. I'm going to wear that even if I only get to wear it for a couple of days. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see, isn't it? That's really pretty. Maybe if I put it on a finger you can see it better. Really pretty. Got a little stone in the center there. And almost looks, maybe it goes the other way. It almost looks like a lotus flower or something. That's really pretty. Like, I really like that. I wish it wasn't costumey, because that's something I'd wear all the time. Rainbow Moonstone. Oh, Moonstone's awesome. Rainbow Moonstone ring. The Rainbow Moonstone has an added energy that can bring light into your mental and spiritual life and will help guide you through challenging psychic situations. The nurturing energy of this stone will fill you with joy and bliss. That is really pretty. Probably one more stone, because they usually do 2 stones in our last bag. Oh, how pretty. Don't know what it is. Really pretty though, look at that. What is that? That is really unique. Oh, I'm excited to have that one. I don't get excited about their little stones much, but that one's really pretty. Turritella Agate. Turritella Agate is a spiritual crystal deeply connected to the earth and home, to one's personal roots and ancestry, even the events of one's past. This is a perfect stone to have when meditating or solving issues of the past. I'm going to do a meditation with that one. That one's really pretty. for sure. The Sodalite will probably go in the giveaway box just because I have a lot of Sodalite and I'd love to pass it on to one of you. But that agate is really, I'm excited to do a meditation with that because I haven't ever had one of those. So this month we got the Rainbow Moonstone ring, the Turritella Agate, the Aquamarine Bracelet, the Goloka Frankincense Resin Incense, the Crystal Quartz Bracelet, the Sodalite Tumbled Stone, and the Kamini Egyptian Musk Soap. So I'd say this was a pretty great box. What was your favorite item? I think my favorite items, the frankincense resin, that's always going to be one of my favorite because I use it all the time. And that looks like a really good quality, so I'm excited to try it. And honestly, that agate and the ring were probably my favorite things in this box. What are your thoughts? Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already and want to be part of our natural healing channel. I hope you have an awesome day and a great 2021 year. Let's make this year better than 2020. Hopefully things will get better. But having good attitude, having good perception, that's so much to do with our happiness. So let's see if we can't stay positive and spend time together, boosting each other up, helping each other to grow spiritually and become better people so we can make the world a better place. Remember to come back often to the channel where you can say, karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.